Neno Delight Multimedia YouTube channel watie ya Awach Gulu district kene no malo of course Awach phone center pijoma mero chim beru nining imero mi yue imero batteries imero ngo wengtien nonge kan ento atiki tama mero penyune yena ka pen kong jo matie kan yes umera tinini
achima ba
afoy mate
afoy ba
ni Deo. Yes, Deo. Watiki jumatika waranyim kin pa piamati mobi bedi Acholi in piamikin PATOLOVER boy ginki EDDY WIZZY. Anga minge kin Johnny.
Angeo
PATOLOVER boy. Wene mene mingeo. Okay, wakati PMT kin Johnny PATOLOVER boy ginki EDDY WIZZY. Itamuni anga maromo tingu quote. PATOLOVER boy. Yes, afoy mataka inka mera tinini.
Atema ba.
Ni Omara. Ka uketu PMT kin PATOLOVER boy ginki EDDY WIZZY. Itamu na nga maromo tingu kwote.
Itamu ni EDDY WIZZY ramo tingu.
Itamu ni EDDY WIZZY ramo chiroki gini. Pinge itamu ni EDDY WIZZY.
Pian kaya nano kion mako bero chaka kaya waving. Ino EDDY WIZZY temu chaka wecho chan loyo PATOLOVER.
Loyo Pato. Okay. Afoy matek pitame. Yes, itika no Delight Multimedia channel YouTube charati subscribing channel man kama watika keli tampa dana mapapat. Yana ka chit kon kan bena mot jomati yekan ni
alwani mark.
Yes, watiki mark akangi luoni ngo
kantie Awach phone center.
Awach phone center kama no ye chim kwa me yue kwa me dia la Brenda ni moni ni kimu kene maduata jami machkiti neno ke ni wenti nonge kan kaiti ya Awach kama miromo chirema pati don kan peke. Yes, omera ni Ronald. Yes, omera tinini ni Steven. Now waket jo enini gikergi wiyabam kibore tamuni anga maromo tingu kwat.
Who owns the crown?
Among these two, who owns the crown?
With real music.
Yes, in music. Lyrics. On stage.
I go with EDDY WIZZY.
You go with EDDY WIZZY. Why EDDY WIZZY?
Because his songs are sweet.
Okay.
And full of ideas, message.
Wow.
With the fans.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay. And then yes, brother.
To my side, for me, I go with PATOLOVER boy.
You go with PATOLOVER boy.
Yes.
Why?
You know, I like always how this guy came out with his song, because I feel it's so nice to me.
Okay.
Yes.
Fine. Yes, brother. Your opinion. Among these two guys, if they are to put them on stage, whom do you think takes the crown?
Even you can see the truth.
Me, I cannot see. That's why I'm asking you.
You can see.
No, I cannot.
You can see the truth.
No, you tell me the truth now.
You can see.
What is the truth?
Are you seeing that man?
Which man?
EDDY. You also know him.
I don't know.
Talk to man.
Yes, watching Kitungbore EDDY Chalo Gini for Matek Pitamu. Yes, kita wachikere wati ya watch Ayubman tie YouTube channel pa Delight Multimedia charati ikunu subscribing kamibi no ye interviews padana mapapat maberu katimune district mapapat malubeki Yubman pe in mi meru jami match meru chim binati kan ya watch phone center camera munong ye jami any weng pe bo takiti don ya watch kamino ye jami any weng. As omera tinini afoy matek. Yes, Nia Silva Delight Multimedia Production. Now what you wear yo in PATOLOVER boy ginki EDDY WIZZY. Anga minge tutwali kinjari on.
Anga
Rio weng. Anga minge atirane tutwal dori maloyla wore gore.
PATOLOVER boy.
Now, John Kaguchiri we are bami kitme muziki. Itamuni anga madong lord wana maramulono la wore.
No pato.
No pato. Pingo wepa pingo wachi pato.
Ano kera phone nge bde
Okay. Wene mene minge papato.
Wene mange la Gulu.
Afa matak wachi nyinga?
Nya
Emmy. Afa matek ma bere Emmy of course ki Awach kan non kong la ditma kadano o kan yubu gyoko mabe Rastaman wagwan
pandes.
Wow, winywa. Pondat. Jare kan ila we.
Ala we ko.
Okay. So just ngele me Rasta now. Ikinjario anytime ni anga maromutingu quote me who owns the crown.
Ginario weng.
Gary on wen. Ina no ke ko bokati ba jal pege paro iye ngewa. Aseno kula no dolo, mani kula no dolo. Longmon ni kong dok chwa chiti nu jini wero pere. Eski tung boy tamu na ngama ro mtingi ko boni.
Eddie WIZZY go ya.
Eddie WIZZY go ya. Pingo Eddie WIZZY.
Amaro Eddie WIZZY.
Okay. Wena mene mi maro.
Imana.
Imara. Okay. Afoy matek. Yes, ye kong wachira nong bada beneka eneni ku wachota meti nini?
Atimabe Silva.
Ni
Holland.
Holland.
Yeah.
Yes, Holland. Now watieki pia mekin jo ario eneni PATOLOVER boy ginki Edddy WIZZY. Itamu ni John kago chiru ya bam anga maramu luru la wore.
Of course Pato.
Pato. Pingo Pato.
Because it started way back.
It started way back. Do you think because it started way back
he has the experience and he has got the talent. So
okay.
Yeah.
So you're very sure he's going to take the crown?
Very sure.
Thank you very much. Your names once again?
Holland.
Holland, yeah. Holland, of course, roteke Holland ka eneni omenu watame kingo matika waranyim. Yewe kwa chere kita watch kere fodo tie Gulu district ya watch kama watika penyo tampa dana mapapat malube kiki wons the crown. Wiponi tickets tipi joma tie ya watch kache emero chirati KJ Safaris tickets will chilling ali Pierre Rio kiken will ticket kombe di yubanu bere nindwa bero ya Acholi in. Hey, magali bari ki Pierre Rio wi angwen idueme abungwen Kitgum nindwa pa wi angwen no watie kunu bene iduema bungwen mandi bero Bomah hotel. Yes. It's still about to watch for kita watch kede watika waranyim. Charity subscribing YouTube channel man Delight Multimedia Productions kama wabikele joma papat. Ichawani of course arwateki boys dano tiyo omera kitika namo. Omera tinini?
Tema med.
Ni?
DJ Blue.
DJ Blue?
Yeah man.
Yeah, atiki DJ Blue. La go muziki eno ngeo Gemini yako wenkore kikore. No ngeo muzjone gingeo tune, gingeo pitch, gingeo kwa ngoni wen. Yes, omera tiningo.
Atima be.
Ni?
Nya Sami.
Sami. Sami kas?
Sami kas.
La weni? Nena no la weni o nindu winya. Okay, weni mamene ni Sami.
Atiki we matie me madwonga ta bada marge we no.
Okay, now Sami romi nwa kapela pa weni?
Atwa no mine ato fude chai fudate mot pedong lare
chawani. Aero wait gira tie. Atamu wabi no we pa Sami kawatika aikan. Yes, omera tinini?
Tima be.
Ni?
Mavian.
Anga?
Deo.
Inga?
Mavian.
Oh, Marvin. Afo amatek Marvin. Inkono?
Nya Chris.
Now, amita chake kan. Chris nene ikora kanya tiki PATOLOVER boy ginki Edddy WIZZY. Itamu ni John kago chiru ya bam. Anga maramu gono la wore. Ikitme zikiki komeni.
Edddy WIZZY.
Edddy WIZZY. Omera wachini Edddy WIZZY. Pingetami Edddy WIZZY.
Pianan wena tima med.
Pian wena tima med. Inkono mera.
Edddy WIZZY doyo.
Edddy WIZZY loyo kineko.
Yeah.
Pingo tamu ni Edddy WIZZY.
We are nyeme mwekan meyer.
Pema kanwe.
Yeah.
All right, yes Sami. Kibori tamu ni angai kinjarion.
Ange ne ezu la we na de.
La we madit. Ma obi tingu ginyo.
Anyer be chamo gini.
All right. Yes, inkono pama.
Enong lok mangwe ngwe ne.
Nining wachidogi.
Ate bot Edddy WIZZY.
I know team Edddy WIZZY gubeda ko mod ka eneni. Go watching karibe dingo Edddy WIZZY yobi tingu gini Acholi in enendwe abero dwe mabongwen mwagali bari okipia rio wangwen. Chirati subscribing to your YouTube channel man. Mati Delight Multimedia. Wekpeke yomo kiken mo wabikeli.